What's up YouTube? Mike here from Techno GI, and today I want to do my favorite feature so far of Windows 10, or I want to show you. I've done a few videos now of some of the bugs that I've encountered with Windows 10, but again, it's not all doom and gloom. Really, those are kind of specific to a Surface, especially the Surface docking station. But anyway, I want to show you my favorite feature, and that is taking a Xbox 360 controller, doesn't even have to be an Xbox 360 controller, and playing Xbox One games on my Surface or any Windows 10 computer. So I'm going to demo it on my iMac, because I installed Windows 10 on the iMac. So as long as you've got the Xbox app installed, which you will, you just open that up and you connect to your Xbox One, which is super simple, and you're good to go. So let me kill the lights and give you a quick demo. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm using a Xbox 360 controller, Windows 10, streaming from my Xbox One, and right now it's no lag. It's the cutscenes. I'm trying to get it to start to the game, but works pretty sweet. Let it run here. But right now I'm using wireless display with my I just installed Windows 10 on my Mac. I'm playing it on my Mac. And on the Xbox One itself, it's actually a wired connection. But right now I've got it on high quality, Xbox 360 controller paired, and it seems to be working. This is probably one of my favorite, I guess, features of Windows 10. I've done a lot of videos where I've kind of knocked Windows 10, but this is actually one of my favorite. Let me turn this down. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorite features of Windows 10, is being able to play this in a separate room on a Windows 10 device. So I've done it on my Surface 3 now, and now I installed Windows 10 on my iMac, and I'm playing it on here. So once I get through the cutscenes and get started, I'll show you what it looks like, but it works well. Get it through the day. 5-minute cutscene. But yeah, like I said, I found 3 bugs with Windows 10 that affected my Surface 3. But this, however, is probably one of my favorite features of Windows 10. And it's, I'm not a big gamer, but this is actually pretty darn cool. As you can see, it's playing a pretty high quality cutscene, and it's not laggy at all. 100% playable. The sound probably won't be the greatest in this video because I'm not using a mic, because I got my computer playing the game. Trying to get it through the darn cutscenes so I can show you the playability. You can see it looks pretty darn good on the iMac display. No complaints here. So like I said, if you have Windows 10, you can do this, and an Xbox One, of course. But super simple. All you gotta do is open the Xbox app, and it works like a champ. So there you go. Look at this. Totally working. 100%. Zero lag. 100% playable. No complaints at all. This is a Call of Duty, as you guys probably know. Yeah, zero lag. So obviously you could always just play this on your Xbox, but if you want to be in a different room, then this is the way to go. But anyway, this is just a look at using the Windows 10 and streaming Xbox One gameplay to your device. So this works just as good on my Surface 3. I tried it. I just wanted to show you on the iMac just because it's a little bit bigger display. So with that, as always, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. So before I end this, I just got to say though, this is probably my favorite feature of Windows 10. If you were on the fence about upgrading and you have an Xbox, an Xbox One, and you like to game, then I would say definitely upgrade, because this feature works awesome. As long as you got a decent connection, wired is always preferred. Like I said, you can even use an Xbox 360 controller. You can do this. So as always, thanks for watching. Later.